Right, we're leaving Lille and we've got to go to this car park and it's not the best. Let's see what happens then, shall we? Come on, go, 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 go! Woohoo! Yeah, baby! Yeah, I got Lille safely! And we're here. And it's 21 degrees at 9:04 on a sunny Saturday morning. It's Taffy Two Wheels and Gilbert Bikes and Wayne the Cats. The cats meow. Right, and we're off. Well, sorry, we're not off. Premature ejaculation again. No, we're off to the ferry to meet Brian. And people in my comments on my Facebook have been saying, Samuel, you picked a bad place to stay there. Everybody be so it's not just me. Yeah, it's as rough as chuff. Yes, this is in the hood, you're not wrong. It feels a little bit run down, doesn't it? Day 7 on our tour on way home. Isn't it, I think? Day 7. Right at the back of the boat. Just going to get off now and strap my bike down. Here we go. Some more bikes here as well. And there's my twin. So what are you doing then on this Saturday afternoon, July the 9th, 2022? I think you'll find that I invented them gilly bikes, so shut it, you knobber. Anyway, we're on the back of the ferry waiting to depart for the UK. It's a nice sunny day, so I'll see you later. Like and subscribe to Taffy Apples, please. Sorry, Taffy Two Wheels even. Right, I forget my own name these days. Right. And we're just going to leave the boat and they'll let us go. Go on lad, go on lad. Thank you. And we're off. Yeah baby. Back to English soil. Stuck in traffic, and at least it's blue sky anyway. For now. Right, that is us off the ferry. We're on the M6 now. Gilly Bikes is about to leave us shortly. So it's goodbye night from him. It'll be good night from me. So we're going to leave it there for this tour. It's been absolutely fantastic. It's been a pleasure. Next time we'll be going to Portugal and Spain. Right, Gilly? I'll see you later. See you, Shag. Right, so then, that was a great tour of that. Alright, see you later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like, please. Bye.